I'll be removing a 1224 cartridge from this faucet. You can see it's easy to turn here to remove the handle. You might need a strap wrench in some cases if it's difficult, or a wrench and some cloth. And then this nut unscrews counterclockwise here. I've already done the hot side with no issues. The cartridge came out easily. Put the other one in, greased it with silicone grease. This one was a little bit different. The other one just came right out with the pliers, just pulled it out and no problems. Now if you can dislodge it, comes out pretty good. You have to move that body of the cartridge, but notice it's into the housing, and it doesn't move. And that just turns the stem, but doesn't turn the body, so it's still stuck in there. No leverage, so it's hard to dislodge it. So I played around with the different pliers here and trying to pull at the same time I'm trying to scratch the housing. Now this tool here is for other cartridges in the 1200 series, the 1200, the 1222, and the 1225. Has the screw that's supposed to goes into the stem, and then you pull at it, but this one didn't work either. I tried some distilled white vinegar, let it soak for a while. Tried some BP Blaster to see if that could loosen some of the corrosion that was contained in the housing along with the cartridge. Started looking at videos to see if anybody else had some ideas, and some were kind of interesting. And some guy used some locking pliers and a board to get himself leverage, but I thought, well, with my clumsiness, those pliers will pop into the mirror and I'll break it, and then it's going to be worse. So I saw one like this with a screw, a board, and a crowbar or a hammer, I think, in some cases. I'm using a crowbar here. Screwed the screw into the stem, but I didn't get it deep enough, and it was pretty big. So I got a thinner one, longer one, but thin, to get it a little bit deeper into the cartridge. And then got better leverage. You can see it coming out, no issue. It's cleaned up a little bit here. I did flush this out just to get any debris out of there. Here I'm doing it with my finger, but you can go down below and just put a glass on it and open the valve, the cold water, just a little bit. This is the new cartridge. Before you put it in, make sure you grease it up. I'm using silicone grease here on these O-rings there. That'll make it easier for you in the future if you have to replace these again. We have 4 other faucets like this in the other bathrooms. They're about at least 14 years old. And these only go one way. There's a little tab in the cartridge that goes into the notch in the housing there. So there's only one way to do it. Sometimes you have to push it in and On this particular one, I had to redo this because it didn't go in deep enough, and I couldn't get the lever or handle to the faucet in there. But if you do it right, this thing just screws in. It doesn't have to be super tight, so you can take a strap wrench to it, like I said, or a cloth and a wrench, and you're good to go. These were kind of dripping. This faucet was dripping. That's why we wanted to replace the cartridges. So now both of them are done. Like I said, the hot side didn't give me any problems. Turn the water back on and stop it. No drips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.